Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing fantastically, fabulously fine wherever you are. Today I'm going to take you to do shopping with me, clothes shopping that is, and it is C&A. It is the equivalent brand of H&M. H&M is actually also a German brand, but those shops are a little bit tighter. You know, there is not much space in H&M outlets here, so we go to C&A. It is brand is same, quality is same, prices are same. So I want to take you to the virtual tour with me, and whatever I buy, if I buy something there, I will share it with you. And let's come with me. But before that, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And now come with me and let's do the shopping.
So there is one C&A in city center also in my city, but it is very crowded, you know, that area because it is a center. So I'm going to actually another city, and it is also near to my home. I already done the tour of that city also, Ashweiler, and there C&A is a little bit more spacious and crowd is less. So I'm going over there. As I said, H&M layout is somehow a bit crowded, congested. So I like going to C&A. Brand quality is actually exactly the same. Only name is difference. Even the prices of the cloth is same. But some people like H&M, you know, that variety. Some people like C&A variety. But both are actually same. They are considered, you know, common people brands, because they are not luxury brands. They are normal, means they are affordable clothing at relatively good quality, and you know, good quality, and reasonable prices. So it is a good shop to have shop do your shopping. So if you are living in Germany or even in Netherlands, C&A is available here, and in Europe, I think in many countries. Primark is another brand which is in different countries, but I personally like going to C&A or sometimes H&M also. If the layout is a bit spacious, then I like going to that shop. So due to corona pandemic, government has announced some incentive for the people. So they have given 3% discount in GST. So GST has been reduced from 19% to 16%. Isn't it very good? Like, government takes so much care of the people. It helps the economy also, because now people are shopping more. So shops are in benefiting. The employees working there are able to work again. But the C&A is also offering 6% extra discount on all its clothing, all the variety whatever is available in on discount or not. They are giving extra 6% discount on everything. So that is also a pretty good incentive. If you are living in Germany, you can go there. It is not a sponsored video. I'm just saying, just like that, on just as a, it is a tip, shopping tip I'm going giving just as a friend. So this is a shop, C&A. They actually call in Germany say und a, because and is called und here. So look, there are very less people here, and shop is pretty much empty, and clothes are very well presented. So some casual wear I buy from C&A, and some good quality clothes we buy from brands. So my closet is of mixed type of brands. It is not only of one brand. Some will be good quality brands, some will be casual brands. So men's section and women section is separate, child section is separate. Here it is only on one floor, but in my city, Aachen, it is spread to 3 different floors.
We came from the shop, and these are the things which I bought from there. I wanted to do a small shopping haul with you. And this is the t-shirt which I bought from my daughter, and this is only €4.50. I bought it, and I think it's pretty cute. Tell me, how did you like it? So this is a shirt which I bought from my husband, and this is also like summer color. Light colors are good for summers, and this is €12.90 shirt, and this is the blue color sticker, means it is half rate. So if it is 12 euro 90 cents, I got for it 6 euro 45 cents half rate, and I think it is pretty good. And one more t-shirt, I bought it for him, and it is actually 9 euro 90 cents, around 10 euro. And I think this is also with blue color, so I actually got it for 5 euro. And this I like a lot because it has my favorite color, aqua color, in front. And please do write to me in the comment box, do you like those t-shirts, because I really love them. Light colors are pretty good for summers. You know, when the other person watches you wearing these colors, he also gets a feeling of soothness, you know, relaxing. Too bright colors in summers are not even good to look at. And this is the jeans I bought for my son. It is stretchable jeans. It is 20 euro, and I really liked it. And all of this shopping, there was an extra 6% discount going on. So for all these items, I also got 6% extra discount. This discount is till 31st July. So if you're in Germany and if you're watching this vlog, go hurry to C&N and you can buy the items. And I pretty much like the selection. I also go to H&M sometimes, but H&M is a bit crowded, and C&A I like because it is somehow more spacious. Variety is also good. So if you are living in Germany, you can go there, and I like it going there, and I normally find some things to buy for casual wear. It is good. So if you like the video, if you like my shopping, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.